One of the great Greek summer recipes is Melitzanes tyri, or eggplant baked with cheese. Start with eggplant slices about a half-inch thick, brushed with olive oil and baked until soft at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Have a simple tomato sauce ready by sautéing a chopped onion and 5 chopped garlic cloves in olive oil and then adding 10 cups of pureed fresh tomato. Cook it until thick. Add chopped basil, add a pinch of sugar and some grape molasses to the sauce. Oil a baking pan, spread the eggplant on the bottom, add a little sauce over the top, sprinkle about a cup or cup and a half of grated graviera cheese over that, and repeat the process. Bake it all off at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then there's a little more cheese. A little more cheese. Enjoy.